What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be showing you a super clean, beautiful 2001 Jeep Cherokee that we're sitting in right now. You know, this Cherokee is absolutely gorgeous. You know, if you like a four-wheel drive vehicle, lifted up on some 35s and a really sporty look about it, this is going to be it right here, guys. So stay with us. This has got to be the cleanest Jeep Cherokee we've ever filmed here on Charleston Car Videos, and available at Rogers Wranglers. Stay with us. Alright, everybody, so here's a 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Like I said, when I said it's clean, baby, it is definitely clean. It's got a ton of extra modifications done to it, customizations, as you would say, to give this Jeep a muscle, muddy kind of look, boy. Wow. And it's got a lot going on, folks. I will tell you the price today. I'll show you the mileage and everything about it, the condition, because you're going to want to see it, folks. It's coming out of North Carolina. That's where this vehicle was originally driving around at, and now it's been traded in here at Rogers Wranglers. Let's go ahead and get started on the front end of this vehicle. Again, the 4.0 liter sitting right up under that hood. You have some different aftermarket headlights there with the LEDs. Your blinkers are looking good. Fresh red paint looks great. It's got a different bumper up here. You also have a LED lighting system built into the bumper there, which looks nice and flush, kind of sitting right behind there. Looks great. The red Jeep grille. It's definitely set up where you can put a winch on there if need be, and it's just got a lot of great features to it. Loving the tires. Also has the fender flares right there, which look really good. I've always said if you got rocks in your tires, you know you got tread, so that's pretty sweet. So we got Open Country Toyo MT tires. Those are looking really nice. Let's take a look at them there. You got 33 by 12 and a half with a 15-inch black wheel in there made by BlackRock. So tires are looking good, rims are looking good. There's your suspension. Okay. Got a solid axle in the front, so everything is really tough. You know, if you're looking to get something where it can go through the dirt, mud, rocks, this is going to be it right here. I mean, this is just a sweet Jeep Cherokee. You got rear tinted windows in the back, and then right here in the front, just regular glass. You got your KC lights up top. You got your extra fifth wheel up there with a brand new tire. I love how the rack's got Cherokee right in there, which looks great. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Four-wheel drive, of course, and then the back bumper's also matching up with the front. Definitely can hook in for a tow package there, 4.0 liter. Wow. Now, it just got traded in, folks, not even 24 hours ago, so we still got to get it cleaned. But it's also coming with a Kenwood 12-inch sub, the box, also got the amp. You can also see here we got tons of speakers set up for the door panels. I mean, Viper alarm system. I mean, all this stuff. Even the old school manual, look at that. Wow, this is cool. Man, you know, it's not every day you get to trade in something sweet like this. The guy traded in to get actually get a two-door Jeep Wrangler, kind of like that right there, but in a dark green. Let's keep looking around a little bit. Sits up nice and high up off the ground. To me, it looks like a 4-inch lift, something like that, with the big tires. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. All your windows work. You got super cold AC inside of here, and the interior is pretty much flawless. I mean, the seats are in beautiful condition. No rips, no tears. I mean, look at those nice clean seats. I'm loving it. You got your switches right here for all your lights. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive controls. You have a Kenwood CD player there with USB auxiliary. Very nice, very clean. I mean, back seats are looking good. Wow. Look at the headliner. Speakers are built into the headliner in the back. You got your oh crap handles above every single windowsill inside the vehicle. And again, just around 150,000 miles. A little tough to see right now. I cut my headlights off, but it's right there. 151.30. Customer says he's had all the services done. He's had a lot of stuff replaced on it. You got your Quadratec all-season mats. Also, folks, your regular jack that came with the Jeep originally will not work to actually jack this vehicle up and switch a tire out. So you have this one here as well. So you're getting a lot of great extras on this Jeep. Very nice. There's the extra key. You can plug that in and charge that Viper system setup right there. Charge it up. Back seat, one big bench. I'm really liking this one, guys. I don't know about y'all, but Mr. Chad here thinks he might talk to the owner about buying this one personally for myself. I mean, this is definitely something special. You know, whether you got kids or not, man, I mean, you can get the kids in the back car seats, take them out, have a good time, have something different. You know, and something about these old school Jeeps with that nice boxy look about them that people absolutely love. And especially to find one this clean. Let's go ahead and pop the hood here for a moment. We're going to stop recording and we'll get back started again. Here's under the hood with the 4.0 liter. What a classic engine for these Jeeps. Battery's looking good. Looks kind of new to me. Definitely got a little mud under here. That lets me know that this Jeep has been used to have a little fun in from time to time, right? No problem at all. That's what they were built to do, okay? So don't you stress about a little dirt, little mud up under the hood. There was a guy that came up here last week and he said, I want a Jeep, I want to buy a Jeep, but he's like, I want to buy one that's already a little dirty. He said, why you got to always clean them up so nice, you know? I was like, really? You know, you don't hear that all the time, but this guy said he wanted a Jeep that already had a little mud on it, you know? Well, I don't really have too many like that, do we? But anyways, you know, everybody's a little different, but very clean, good looking under the hood here. I don't see a whole lot of aftermarket stuff going on under here, but again, the owner did say that all the maintenance has been well taken care of. You got a Flowmaster exhaust on the vehicle, and he's had a lot of services done and a lot of replacements done to just get this Jeep in great running shape. As you can tell here, look at that. Freezing cold. I mean, that is a great AC pump there, or AC compressor. Is getting the job done, especially when you can see all that condensation coming off and nice and cold. So that's great. This is going to be a good one for somebody out there in the Carolinas looking for it. It was a North Carolina Jeep, now it's a South Carolina Jeep. Right, everybody, I'm going to rev it up a little bit so y'all can hear the exhaust sound from right here. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Sounds pretty good. You know, it's not overly loud, which I like, okay? It's got a nice tone about it with the Flowmasters. So it's a nice sound to it. The engine's not too loud, but man, it's beautiful, isn't it? It sure is. All right, everybody, so the price on this 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport with 151,000 miles on it is going to be $89,990 or best offer. Again, $8,990 or best offer. This is a cash deal, no financing available on it that we know of. When we have a little bit older vehicles here at the dealership, these are cash prices, so you're more than welcome to go to your local credit union, Navy Federal, USAA, or your bank and get a small loan if you need to do that, or come in with cash. But give me a call. My name is Chad. I'd love to help you buy this Jeep if you're interested in it. And let me tell you, don't let it sit long. I might get it for myself if I can. It's a really nice one. And if I like it, I know you're gonna like it. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching on Charleston Car Videos. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, send us a comment, let us know what you think. And as always, come on down and get your next pre-owned Jeep at Rogers Wranglers in North Charleston on Dorchester Road. We'll see you on the next clip.